Hello kids and welcome back to Navya channel. So in Diwali we are going to go a lot of shopping like that, and we need a lot of sanitizer also. Right? We need a lot of clothes to wear. Right? We are going to wear new clothes on Diwali, right? And do you know how to make sanitizer? Few of you know and few of you don't know. So I know ingredients, you don't know. So, we are going to, let's start making sanitizer. We need important things. We have to not miss out anything. We need spoon, we need aloe vera, we need knife. I have this coconut oil. You want to take any oil? We need saffron or Dettol, you can take one of them. We need one bottle. I have this one big bottle, that's why I'm taking this. You can take any of the bottle. Let's start. And also we need water. Okay. And first step is aloe vera step. So we are going to peel out the aloe veras and take out the gel of the aloe vera and little harm it with our hand. Now our aloe vera paste is ready. Now we are going to go on the second step. We need saffron. We are going to open saffron. You can also use it all. Now we will mix the saffron. You can even mix that up. Spoon we have to put. Now let me put the coconut oil. You can put the other oil also. So now let me mix it. 1 spoon we have to put. Let's mix all the things. Now let's see how it will smell, and also let's see how it will rub in our hands. Smelling like coconut oil. So, our last step is over, and it is smelling like coconut, and it will not let your hand dry, and it will get all the germs of your and it will just sweep in on it. Thank you so much for watching my sanitizer video, and also don't forget to subscribe and click the heading bell button and write it in the comment box if you like my channel, and don't